And finally, the recently appointed Secretary of State for Digital, Culture, Media and Sport fully embraced the digital part of his new brief by launching his very own smartphone app, the first MP to do so. The Matt Hancock app features picture galleries and videos of him. It also allows users to sign up as friends and chat with other fans of the Matt Hancock app. But there have been concerns about the app's privacy policy and whether it complies with the Data Protection Act. So the Shadow Culture Secretary had a question.
What action does the Secretary of State think should be taken against an app which breaches key provisions of the Data Protection Act and the Privacy and Electronic Communications Regulations and is not GDPR compliant?
Well, I think that all apps should be compliant with the law, and I'm delighted to say that the Matt Hancock app is, Mr. Speaker.
Get him, Brennan!
Exactly, because the app I'm talking about, of course, is not doesn't just belong to him, it's named after him. And the general public need protecting, Mr. Speaker, from their privacy being invaded by Matt Hancock, their personal information being shared with third parties by Matt Hancock, and their private photos being accessed by Matt Hancock. Will he undertake to ensure that Matt Hancock complies fully with all data protection regulations in future, and explain why he thinks other people should abide by their legal obligations with regard to data protection if Matt Hancock doesn't?
Of course the app does comply, but more importantly, I think we should use digital communications, Mr. Speaker, to communicate with our constituents in all their modern forms. And I'm frankly delighted by the response that the app's had, far bigger than I could possibly have imagined, and I look forward to communicating with my constituents over Matt Hancock for many years to come.
Matt Hancock, delighted with Matt Hancock. And that's all we've got time for, but do join me at the same time tomorrow for a roundup of the whole week here at Westminster.